Siyempre, Pinoy tayo. Uy, ano yun? Nahook? Nagawa mo dyan, Diego? Nahook ba yan?
First blood.
Oo nga,
I've been
no?
wanting to say that since this all began.
So, ano to? Si Raul yata to eh. O nagkamali lang siya ng ano, nalakaran.
I see the witness will not soon forget
Huli ka.
its transpire.
Ano, di pa sa akin? Balik!
Home for my graveside mother.
Di pa sa akin napunta.
I travel with the mist.
Kala ko na-hook.
I'm under attack.
Ano mo ah. Ouch.
Middle tower is defending itself. Things are resistance. Mark me well. Submit to the fray. As counsel. To the foe. I just might.
Balikin mo.
Well studied. I see you dare not. So be it. Yes.
Alis ka dyan! Alis ka dyan! Alis ka dyan, baka ikaw mabulin.
Cunning. Who goes there? For the House of Ernest. Well studied.
Ayun o, ano mo yun.
By the House of Ernest. I should say so.
So,
I'm under attack.
wow.
I see. More than likely. From the mist. I travel with the mist
Memple, memple.
like shapes in mist. I see the way.
So, patay natin to. Sila mo. Uy! Putang ina nun! Oh, Yaman is like, yari tayo. Wala Xing eh. Ah, wala ba? Oo nga pala, no? Yung ano nga pala pumalit sa kanila, no? Bet boom ba yun?
To victory. The enemy attacks your middle tower.
So weird. Indeed. So it goes.
Oh, hindi sumunod.
Chosen of Atlantis. So I have sworn. This I should say so. So it goes. I just might. Follow me.
Ano isip to ah? Nakamasaklit ah. Yan oh. Yan, ito na lang sa likod. Ang tapakan yan eh.
Follow me. As counsel. I'm under attack. I see the way.
Sumabog. Pumutok. Ha?
Submit. I see.
The enemy attacks your bottom tower.
Sumabog siya eh. Magandang hapon, Boss Nel. Okay, magandang hapon, Boss Jun.
Will one side come to regret this?
To the fray.
Rekta natin, Radiant. Wala ba neutral item dyan?
Mark me well.
The enemy attacks your middle tower. Long has that tower stood against the
Mid.
rising tide. Your tower is under attack.
Kung ano, nakakuha pa ng Exteron ah. Tibay ng mukha ah.
Fresh mate.
Faces a terrible test. Your tower is under attack.
Walang raise.
Well studied.
Typical SM siya, walang raise.